Hello students, my name is Jatin and we were doing chapter 6 of class 10th called triangles. We have already covered two topics of this chapter. In the part 1 we have covered basic proportionality theorem and related questions, and in the part 2 we have covered similarities and related questions, and in this part we are going to do the related theorems on similarities of triangles, right? So let's begin with the very first theorem, an important theorem. This could come in your exam. Okay, if two triangles are equiangular. Equiangular means all the angles are equal in both the triangles, right? Prove that the ratio of corresponding sides is same as the ratio of their corresponding medians, right? So here we are given two triangles. Let me draw two triangles, right? So this is triangle 1 and this is triangle 2, right? Okay, A B C, let's name it, and D E M, where AP is the median. Let's call AP as the median, and D let's call this DEF करते हैं इसको, यहाँ पे M कहते हैं. DM is the median. So AP and DM are medians, and you know medians divides the opposite sides into two equal halves. So BP is equal to PC and EM will be equal to MF, right? No need to write it. Let's not write it, right? Now we need to prove. Now to prove is we need to prove that AB upon DE, that means the ratio of sides is equal to the ratio of medians. It means AP upon DM. This is what we need to prove. So we are given that both the triangles are equiangular. If both the triangles are equiangular, what it means, that angle A will be equal to angle D, whole of angle A will be equal to whole of angle D, angle B is equal to angle C, and angle C is equal to angle F. This B will be equal to E, right? Angle C will be equal to angle F. All the angles are equal. It means that by AAA criteria, can I say both the triangles are similar? If both the triangles are similar, can I write the ratio of their sides as equal? So AB upon DE will be equal to BC upon EF will be equal to AC upon DF. Yes, we can write like this. Okay, so let me rub this part. So now manipulating some sides. So AB upon DE, let's write AB upon DE as it is. So BC, can I write BP plus PC, and EF can I write EM plus MF by the diagram, please observe, and AC upon DF as it is, right? Because BP, the BC is BP plus BC, right? And we know that BP is equal to PC and EM is equal to MF, right? We know that because median divides the opposite sides into two equal halves, right? So AB upon DE, can I write BP plus PC as twice of BP, and can I write in the denominator twice of EM, and this will be AC upon DF, right? Now let me rub the upper part. I hope you have written this. Okay, if I can write this, so can I say AB upon DE is equal to BP upon EM? Yes, and AC upon DF तो चल ही रहा है साथ में. So let's mark this equation as 1, right? Now in triangle left वाले, अब left वाले triangle देखो, अब ये वाला left, and so in triangle APB and triangle DME, can I say AB upon DE is equal to BP upon EM from first, and angle B will be equal to angle E, that is given because the triangles were equiangular, right? So can I say by SAS, because the ratio of this side is equal to the ratio of this side upon okay, AB upon DE, and angle B and E lies between these two sides, right? So by SAS criteria, can I write both the left triangles are similar? I hope you have got it. Okay, if I can say that both the triangles are similar, so can I equate the ratio of their sides? So left वाले triangle का ratio will be AP upon DM will be equal to AB upon DE will be equal to BP upon ME, BP upon ME, right? So we have proved that the ratio of sides is equal to the ratio of medians from CPCT. Here you can observe, right? Now we will move on to theorem 2. Now theorem 2 says, theorem 2, okay, if two triangles are equiangular, again equiangular, prove that the ratio of their corresponding sides is same as the ratio of their corresponding angle bisector segments, right? So again we are given a two triangles, right? So let me draw two triangles first. So this is first and this is second, okay. We need to draw angular bisector. Now what is angular bisector? See, let's name it first A, B, C and D, E, F, and let's call this as DM, and let's call this as AP. So AP divides angle A into two equal halves. It means half of angle A will be equal to half of angle A, half of angle A in the left hand side will be equal to half of angle A in the right hand side. It means that BAP is equal to CAP, right? So this AP divides angle A into two equal halves. Similarly, DM divides angle A into two equal halves. This is what it means by angular bisector segment, right? So AP and DM are the segment which divides their corresponding angles into two equal halves, right? So what we need to prove? We need to prove that red kahan gaya? Okay, to prove, we need to prove that AB, the ratio of sides AB upon DE, is equal to the ratio of their corresponding angular bisector segment. This is what we need to prove, right? Okay, and we are given, what is given to us? Given to us are the triangles are equiangular. It means all the angles are equal. It means that both the triangles are similar by AAA criteria. So can I directly write angle A is equal to angle D? Yes, we can write it. Okay, so again we will take the left wale triangles. So in triangles ABP and triangle DEM, can I say that angle B is equal to angle E? That is given because both the triangles are equiangular. And can I also say that angle BAP is equal to angle EDM and Y? Because both are the half of angle A will be equal to half of angle D. Yes, both are half of angle A and half of angle D, right? On angle A and angle D were equal, so half of angle A will also be equal to half of angle D, right? And half are nothing but BAP and EDM. Yes, so can I say that by angle criteria both these left wale triangles are similar? So can I equate the ratio of their sides? So AB upon DE is equal to DE upon equal to BP upon EM is equal to AP upon, यहाँ लिखता हूँ थोड़ा, या एक काम करते हैं हम सीधा मीडियन को ही लेते हैं ना. सो AB upon DE will be equal to AP upon DM will be equal to BP upon EM. Okay, and this is what we need to prove. This is what we need to prove, and we have proved it. Okay, let's move on to theorem third. So theorem third, what is theorem third? If two triangles are equiangular, again angular, prove that the ratio of corresponding sides is same as the ratio of their corresponding altitudes, altitude, right? Again we are given two triangles. Let me dot two triangles first, right? This is triangle 1 and this is triangle 2, manja. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, and let me drop two altitudes, right? So this is altitude which have 90 degree. AP is the altitude in triangle ABC, and DM is the altitude in triangle DEF, right? So we need to prove, what we need to prove? To prove that ratio of their sides, it means AB upon DE, both are sides only, will be equal to ratio of their altitudes, it means AP upon DM. This is what we need to prove. Again we will take left wale triangles to prove. And also what is given to us, all equiangular, it means all the angles are equal, it means both the triangles are similar also. So angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle F. This is what is given to us, okay, because both the triangles are equiangular, right? Again we will take in triangle ABP and triangle DEM, both left wale triangle we will pick. And can I say angle B is equal to angle E? Yes, given. And can I also say that angle APB will be equal to angle DME, both are of 90 degree. So can I say by angle criteria both left wale triangles are similar? So can I equate the ratio of their sides? So if I can equate the ratio of their side, will I prove my required theorem or not? So AB upon BP will be equal to AP upon DM, hence proved by CP/CT. You will write each and every statement, okay? Now let's move on to next theorem, next important theorem, theorem fourth. So theorem fourth says, if two sides and a median bisecting one of these sides, obviously one of these sides of a triangle of the triangles are respectively, sorry, are respectively proportional. See, I hope you know the difference between ratio and proportion, right? So let me tell you quickly, if in case you don't know, this A upon B is simple ratio, right? If I equate with C upon D, this becomes proportion. It means A ratio B is in proportion with C ratio D, okay? This is the sign of proportion, and this two dots are the sign of ratio. In case if you don't know, this is proportion, this, okay, this is proportion. In case if I would have written only A by B, this is a ratio, right? This is denoted like this, and this is denoted like A ratio B, simple, okay? This is the difference between ratio and proportion, okay? I felt like I should tell you this, okay? So where was I? Respectively proportional to the sides and corresponding median of another triangle, then the triangles are similar, then the triangles are similar, okay? Again we are given two triangles, so let me draw. This is triangle 1, this is triangle 2. Let's name this A, B, C, D, E, F. Again DM is median and AP is also median, so AP and DM are median, so it means BP will be equal to PC and EM will be equal to MF. Median divides the opposite sides into two equal halves, right? So we are given AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF is equal to AP upon DM. This is what is given. Please read the first statement of the theorem. If two sides and a median bisecting one of these sides, right? Two sides I have taken AB and BC from left triangle and DE and EM from the right triangle, and median we have to take, right? Median are proportional to the, respectively proportional to the sides and corresponding median of the another triangle, yes, and the another triangle is DEF. Then the triangles are similar. Now we need to prove that, triangle ABC the whole is similar to triangle DEF. This is what we need to prove, right? So let's take our given condition. So AB upon DE is given, which is equal to BC upon EF. So can I write so can I write BC as twice of BP and DM as twice of EM? Because देखो यहाँ पे AP and DM are medians. It means BP is equal to PC and EM is equal to MF, right? This side is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side. So BC is the summation of BP plus BC now. See, BC can I write BP plus PC, and EF can I write EM plus MF, and AP और DM तो है ही, चल ही रहे. So AB upon DE, can I write BP plus PC as twice of BP, and in the denominator can I write twice of EM will be equal to AP upon DM. Can I write like this? Please. This is very easy. Okay, so let's cut 2 and 2. So can I say that AB upon DE now becomes equal to BP upon EM, okay, and now it becomes equal to AP upon DM. So can I say that these left wale triangle are similar by triple S? So triangle ABP is similar to triangle DEM by triple S. So it means angle B will be equal to angle E by CPCT if both the triangles are similar. We have already learned that if both triangles are similar, all the angles will become equal, right? So angle B will be equal to angle C by CPCT. So now let's rub the upper part. Chalo. Now let's take the bigger triangles. Okay, in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, so AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF, right? Given and उनके बीच का एंगल देखो, एंगल B will be equal to angle E from 1. So can I say both the triangles are similar now by SAS? Yes, because this angle B and C lies between the two sides that we have equated. Okay, so by SAS criteria, triangle ABC becomes similar to triangle DEF. This is what we need to prove, and we have proved it. So let's move on to next theorem. Do we have next theorem? No, we don't have next theorem. Okay, so all the theorems related to similarities of triangles have been done now. Now let's move on to some theorems on areas of similar triangles. So theorems, now we will move on to theorems on areas of two similar triangles. Now again a very important topic. So let's quickly begin with theorem 1. So theorem 1 says, okay, the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles are equal to the ratio of the squares of any two corresponding sides. What it means? It means that area of triangle 1 upon area of triangle 2 should be equal to the ratio of the square of side 1 का square upon side 2 का square. Okay, side 1 will come from triangle 1 and side 2 will come from triangle 2. Okay, this is what we need to prove. Okay, so let's prove it. Formally write with the diagram, okay, then you will get it better. So let me draw a diagram first. So this is first triangle and this is second triangle, right? And let's name it A, B, C, D, E, F. Now we need to drop altitude on these triangles. So altitudes means 90 degree, angles having 90 degree. Okay, because for area we need the altitude now. Okay, now we need to prove that. To prove, let me write it. Area of triangle ABC upon ratio of both the triangles. This is what it means. Area of triangle DEF is equal to the ratio of their sides. So AB square upon DE square, and BC square upon EF square and AC square upon DF square. This is what we need to prove. Okay, now how will you prove this? Okay, लेफ्ट वाले ट्राइंगल में सिमिलैरिटी प्रूव कर दें. ओके, पहले तो गिवन लिख लो. गिवन है कि ट्राइंगल ए बी सी इज सिमिलर टू ट्राइंगल डी ई एफ. दिस इज व्हाट इज गिवन टू अस. ओके, it means that angle B is equal to angle E, right? What it means, right? Okay, so in triangle see AB, पहले ये भी लिख देते हैं ना, रेशियो ऑफ द साइड्स भी इक्वल कर देते हैं. ओके, सो AB अपॉन DE इज इक्वल टू BC अपॉन EF इज इक्वल टू AC अपॉन DF. दैट इज ऑल्सो गिवन टू अस बिकॉज बोथ द ट्राइंगल्स आर सिमिलर. पहली लाइन में ही लिखा हुआ है the areas of two similar triangles. It means similarity is given to us. Okay, now let's take left wale triangles. Now in triangle ABP and triangle DE, let's call this as M, DEM, angle B is equal to angle E. Yes, given. Both the triangles are similar. And angle, let's call this as P. BAP is equal to angle DME because both are of 90 degrees. So by angle similarity we have proved that the ratio similarity, we have proved the similarity between the left wale triangles. Okay, now by CPCT can we equate the ratio of sides? So let me rub this upper part theorem. Okay, so can I say that AB upon DE is equal to AP upon DM by CPCT? Yes, if I can say that AP upon DM is equal to AB upon DE is equal to AP upon DM, if I can say this, so can I also say that AP upon DM is equal to BC upon EF? Yes, let's call this as 1 because देखो ना, AB upon DE was equal to BC upon EF and now AB upon DE is equal to AP upon DM, so these two will also become equal na, right? I hope you have got this. AP upon DM is equal to BC upon EF. This is from this is equation 1, right? Okay, so let's rub this. Now we will apply the area. Now let's take our LHS of both these. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF. Yes, and area of triangle is what? Half into base into height and half into base into height, right? So half is half, half को cancel ही कर देते हैं. So base is what? Both the triangles base is ABC is base is BC and DEF base is DF. Sorry, DEF, the base is DF, right? And the heights are AP and DM. Yes, so BC upon DF, and can I write AP upon DM as BC upon EF from 1? Yes, from 1. Yes, so hence we proved that area of triangle ABC upon में area of triangle DEF is equal to BC square upon, देखो यहाँ पे BC square upon EM square, BC square upon EF स्क्वायर, ये एफ है, BC अपॉन EF. देखो ये हमने यहाँ पे प्रूफ कर दिया. इस इक्वेशन को देखो ध्यान से. ओके, BC इंटू BC डी, और यार क्या लिख रहा हूँ मैं बार बार, BC और ये DF है, EF है, सॉरी ये EF, ठीक है. BC अपॉन EF, क्योंकि देखो ऊपर भी EF हो गई, बेस तो जो DF का बेस है वो EF है. गलती से मैंने यहाँ पे DF लिख दिया, यहाँ पे देखो राइट हैंड साइड में ऊपर EF होगा. सो BC अपॉन EF इंटू AP अपॉन DM, और AP अपॉन DM कैन वी रिप्लेस इट विद BC अपॉन EF फ्रॉम 1. सो BC इट बिकम्स BC स्क्वायर अपॉन EF का स्क्वायर. सो एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ऑफ फर्स्ट एंड एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ऑफ सेकेंड विल बी इक्वल टू द रेशियो ऑफ देयर squares of sides, right? So can I equate with all the sides now because both the triangles were similar? So can I write area of triangle ABC upon my area of triangle DEF as BC square upon EF square, and this BC upon EF was equal to AB upon DE. So can I also write AB square upon DE square, and can I also write AC square upon DF square? Okay, I hope you are getting this. So hence proved. Next, let's move on to next theorem. So theorem 2 says the ratio of areas of two similar triangles are in the ratio of two corresponding altitudes. So to prove, let me draw triangles first. This is triangle 1, this is triangle 2, A, B, P, C, D, E, M and F, right? Okay, and these are altitudes. So AP and DM are altitudes, right? We need to prove that area of triangle ABC upon my area of triangle DEF is equal to AP upon स्क्वायर बोला हुआ, सिमिलर स्क्वायर ही होगा. द रेशियो ऑफ स्क्वायर्स भी यहाँ लिखो, रेशियो ऑफ स्क्वायर्स ऑफ टू कोरस्पॉन्डिंग एल्टीट्यूड. सो AP स्क्वायर अपॉन DM का स्क्वायर, राइट? नीचे गिरने दो उसको, अपना गिरता है, ठीक है. नाउ अगेन we are given the ratio of areas of two similar triangles. So we are given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. This is what is given to us. It means all the ratio of sides are equal. So AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF is equal to AC upon DF, right? And it also means that all the angles are equal. Okay, now again, so if these two triangles are similar, okay, so now again take left वाले triangle. So triangle ABP and triangle DEM. So angle B is equal to angle E, given both the triangles are similar, and angle P is equal to angle M, both the angles are of 90 degrees. So can I say that by angle criteria both the left wale triangles are similar? If I can say that both the left wale triangles are similar, so can I also write that AB upon DE is equal to AP upon DM by CPCT? If I can write like this, and in the theorem 1 we have already proved that area of these two triangles are, the ratio of areas of these two triangles will be equal to the ratio of the squares of sides. In the theorem 1 we have proved that the area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is equal to AB square upon DE ka square, and all the sides, right? Like all the sides. So BC square upon EF ka square and AC square upon DF ka square. We have proved that. Now AB upon DE becomes equal to AP upon DM. See this. Okay, so can I replace this? रिप्लेस है करना, यहीं ऐड कर लो. दिस विल ऑल्सो बी इक्वल टू AP स्क्वायर अपॉन DM का स्क्वायर, बिकॉज दिस AP अपॉन DM इज इक्वल टू AB अपॉन DE. बोथ दीज आर इक्वल ना, ये और ये दोनों इक्वल ही है, तो उन दोनों के स्क्वायर्स भी इक्वल होंगे. तो अब ये जब AP अपॉन DM का स्क्वायर इसके इक्वल है तो सारी साइड्स के रेशो के इक्वल भी होगा, और वो सारी साइड के रेशो के इक्वल होगा तो मतलब वो एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल के रेशो के इक्वल भी होगा. सो वी हैव प्रूव्ड इट. ठीक है, okay, let's move on to next theorem. The areas of two similar triangles, let me stretch my back, triangles are in the ratio of squares of corresponding medians. Again we need to prove that, let me draw triangles first. So this is triangle 1, this is triangle 2, A, B, C, this is P, D, E, F, and this is M, and AP and DM are medians. It means BP is equal to PC and EM will be equal to MF, right? This is what it means, right? Okay, and we are given is triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So according to the given condition, can I equate the ratio of their sides in proportion, right? AC upon DF. Okay, now let's observe here. See, AB upon DE, let's write AB upon DE as it is. So can I write BC upon EF as twice of BP upon twice of EM? Yes, we can write. And AC upon DF तो वैसे ही रहेगा. So let's cancel these 2 and 2. So can I also say that AB upon DE is equal to BP upon EM? Yes, we can say that. Okay, now let's take the left वाले triangles. So again left वाले triangle ले लो. So in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, can I say that, क्या कह सकता हूँ मैं, थोड़ा सा दिमाग हिल गया है यहाँ पे. हाँ, AB upon DE is equal to BP upon EM, right? And angle B is equal to angle E. So can I say by SAS criteria both these triangles are similar? देखो मैंने AP upon DE उठाया और BP upon EM उठाया और उन दोनों के बीच का एंगल लिया, ठीक है. तो can I say by SAS criteria both these triangles are similar? If I can say that, can I equate the ratio of their sides? Yes, we can equate the ratio of their sides, and ultimately it will become the ratio of their medians also. If I, sorry, now these two triangles are similar, the ratio of their sides will be equal. So AB upon DE will become equal to, सीधा लेते हैं ना उसको, एक सेकेंड लेफ्ट वाला ट्रायंगल बोल के मैंने राइट नाम नहीं लिखा सही. सी मैंने यहाँ नेमिंग सही नहीं लिखी है, प्लीज़ फॉरगिव मी. सो ABP होना चाहिए यहाँ पे और DEM होना चाहिए. सो ABP एंड DEM. सो AB अपॉन DE will be equal to AP upon DM. Yes, AP and DM are medians, right? So if I can say that this is equal, so can I write triangle of ABC upon, sorry, area of triangle of ABC upon area of triangle of DEF is equal to AB का square upon DE का square. We have already proved it in the theorem 1, right? So can I also equate it with AP का square upon DM का square from 1, right? So we have proved that. This is what we need to prove. Okay, now let's move on to next theorem quickly. Next theorem is the area of two similar triangle are in the ratio of squares of their corresponding angle bisector segments. Angle bisector segments, right? Let me draw two triangles first. Again, this is triangle 1, this is triangle 2. Name this A, B, C, D, E, F. AP is the angle bisector of angle A and DM is the angle bisector of angle D. Okay, it means this AP divides angle A into 2 equal half, divides angle A into 2 equal halves. Similarly, DM divides angle D into 2 equal halves. This is what it meant by angular bisector segment, angle bisector segment. Okay, now we need to prove that to prove area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is equal to AP का square upon DM का square. This is what we need to prove. Okay, now again, so given क्या है हमें कि triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEM. If this is given to us, it means that angle A will be equal to angle D. Yes, if it means that angle A will be equal to angle D, if it does mean that half of angle A will be equal to half of angle D also, right? So again in left वाले triangles, in triangle ABP and triangle DEM, right, angle B is equal to angle E, given both the triangles are similar, and half of angle A, you will write the name of complete angle, right, BAP is equal to angle EDM from 1, इसको 1 कह दो ना, half of angle A will be equal to half of angle D. So by angle criteria, can we say that both these triangles are similar? If we can say that both these triangles are similar, so let me equate the ratio of their sides, right? So AB upon DE will be equal to AP upon DM, and again with the same logic, area of triangle ABC I hope you have got this, right? Area of triangle ABC and upon my area of triangle DEF is equal to AB square upon DE square. This is what we have proved in the theorem 1, which is also equal to AP square upon DM square, the angular bisector segments from 1, from here. देखो prove भी कर दिया हमने, ठीक है. Let's move on to next theorem quickly. Next theorem is, if the areas of two similar triangles are equal, then the triangles are congruent. Okay, this question has come in the previous examination. I don't know the year, but this question had come already. Okay, if the areas of two similar, बाकी सारे भी आ चुके हैं, ऐसी बात नहीं, सब इम्पॉर्टेंट है इस वीडियो का. triangles are equal, then the triangles are congruent. Okay, मतलब वही दोनों ट्राइंगल्स को इस बार congruent प्रूफ करना है बस. This is triangle 1, this is triangle 2. Now name it A, B, C, D, E and F. Okay, now according to the given condition, what is given to us, that area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle DEF. It is given to us. Okay, if it is given to us, so area of DEF को उसके नीचे ले जाऊँ तो area of ABC upon triangle area of DEF, can I equate it with 1? Yes, if I can equate it with 1, and we in the theorem 1 we have already proved that area of triangle, see these triangles are similar also, this is given in the question. So ABC is similar to triangle DEF, so can I write area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is equal to their side के square का ratio. AC square upon DF square. Yes, if I can write like this from the theorem 1. Okay, from the theorem 1, if I can write like this, so ये given है ना, given है, क्यों मिटा दिया मैंने, ठीक है. So now the ratio will become 1 ना. देखो ABC और DEF का रेशो 1 है, so इन सब का रेशो भी 1 होगा. So AB स्क्वायर अपॉन DE स्क्वायर का रेशो भी 1 होगा, और BC स्क्वायर अपॉन AF स्क्वायर का रेशो भी 1 होगा, और AC स्क्वायर अपॉन DF स्क्वायर का रेशो भी 1 होगा. So from here we can get AB square will be equal to DE square and AB will be equal to DE. Similarly, all the sides will become equal, right? BC will become equal to EF and AC will become equal to DF. So can I say by triple S triangle ABC is similar to triangle, congruent to triangle DEF? This is what we need to prove. Okay, we need to prove that triangle ABC is congruent. You know the symbol of congruency, right? DEF. Okay, so by triple S criteria we have proved that both the triangles are similar. Okay, do we have more questions? Last question of this video. Okay, let's do last question. Very important question. If two sides and a median bisecting, सॉरी ये कहाँ पहुँच गया यहाँ पे, bisecting, leave it, the third side of triangle are respectively proportional to the corresponding sides and the median, corresponding sides and median of कहाँ था, corresponding side of another triangle, prove that both the triangles are similar, prove that both the triangles are similar. Okay, so we are given two triangles, shit थोड़ा स्लो हो गया कंप्यूटर, सही है अब, ठीक है, ये दो ट्राइंगल है, okay, let's name it A, B, C, D, E, F, and we need to do construction on this, okay, and also median is given, median is given to us as P and Q, right? Let's call AP and DQ are the medians. And now read the statement. If two sides and a median bisecting the third side of a triangle are respectively proportional to the corresponding sides and the median of the another triangle, what it means? Given condition is AB upon DE is equal to AC upon DF is equal to AP upon DQ. This is what is given to us, okay. AP upon DQ, yes, this is given to us, the ratio of sides and the corresponding medians of both the triangles, right? And it is also given that AP and DQ are medians. It means that BP is equal to PC and EQ is equal to QF. Now you need to do construction in this part, right? Extend P extend P and Q so that AP becomes equal to G, PG, and this DQ becomes equal to H, QH, right? And join this GC and HF. This you need to do through construction, okay. Now to prove is triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. We need to prove this, okay. Now how will you prove this? See, there are certain steps to prove this question and you need to remember these steps, right? You will take in triangle ABP and triangle GCP. ABP and GCP लोगे आप पहले, ठीक है, ये वाले मतलब, let me shade it also, this and this, and similarly this and this, okay. Now you will say that AP is equal to PG, AP is equal to PG by construction, and angle APB will be equal to angle GPC, vertically opposite angles, yes, this angle and this angles are vertically opposite angles, and BP will be equal to PC because why? AP is the median, AP is median, right? So can I say by triple S criteria both these triangles are congruent? So triangle ABP becomes congruent to triangle GCP. So can I also say that if these two triangles are congruent, let me draw an angle here, I am drawing an angle, see, angle 1, इसको 1 कहते हैं, इसको 2 कहते हैं, इसको 3 कहते हैं, इसको 4 कहते हैं. You will write the complete name. Let's call this as 5 and let's call this as 6. Okay, so can I say that angle 1 will become equal to angle 5 by CPCT? Can I say this? Yes, we can say. Okay, all right. Now let me rub. थोड़ा स्लो हो चुका है कंप्यूटर, होना नहीं चाहिए था. Let's wait for a moment. शिट यार, इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस में ही स्लो हो गया. लास्ट क्वेश्चन था ये वैसे भी. लेट्स वेट till it resumes. See, let me tell you orally what I am going to do, right? चल जाए यार, लास्ट क्वेश्चन है, उसके बाद चाहे रुक जियो. See, AB will become equal to GC also. AB will become equal to GC. देखते हैं चलता है कि नहीं. हाँ चलने लगे. AB will become to GC by CPCT. CPCT. This AB will become to GC. इरेजर नहीं काम कर रहा है. कुछ भी काम नहीं कर रहा अब तो यार, प्लीज़ काम कर जा, उसके बाद चाहे ख़राब हो जाइए. फ्लो तोड़ दिया. क्या करें, नेक्स्ट पेज में फिर दोबारा पूरा डायग्राम बनाना पड़ जाएगा, नहीं जा सकते. हाँ देखते हैं कुछ और. नहीं, let's wait for a moment. My eraser is creating trouble, so let me color these as white only so that I can write. यार ऐसा मत कर. ओके, बार बार क्यों आ रहा है. चलो यार, जो है अब थोड़ा स्लो हो गया कंप्यूटर. ओके देखो, अबे ठीक है यार. देखो, AB will be equal to GC by CPCT, right? So similarly can I say that in the right वाले triangle, triangle DQE will also be congruent to triangle DQE HQF by the same logic, because of किस लॉजिक से किया था हमने, ट्रिपल एस से किया था यहाँ पे. हाँ ट्रिपल एस से करा था ना, तो बाय द सेम सॉरी एस से. देखो, दिस एंगल इज इक्वल टू दिस एंगल, वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल. दिस इज इक्वल टू दिस. डी क्यू विल बी इक्वल टू क्यू एच बाय कंस्ट्रक्शन, एंड ई क्यू विल बी इक्वल टू क्यू एफ बाय मीडियन, to the logic of median. Okay, so can I say that these two triangles are similar, right? Okay, now so can I also say that angle 3 will be equal to angle 6, right, by CPCT? And can I also say that DE will be equal to HF by CPCT? Okay, so here we have, see here, see my computer is creating a lot of trouble, so I have to end this video here only. I will bring one more video for this particular question, because this question is very very important. Okay, so let's end it here only because of the technical glitch. So far the theorem that we have done, please revise these theorems are very important. This could come in your exam, any theorem could come in your exam. Okay, please go through this, and thank you so much. I will bring a separate video for this question particularly. Okay, thank you so much.